Subscribe to our channel Career Tutorial and press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, since last 4 to 5 videos I have been talking about management courses and different type of examination related to MBA and this type of management courses. And in this series also today I am going to talk about a very, you can say, you must have heard CET examination, about which I will be talking in this video. So without any delay, let's begin this video. So friends, CET common entrance test. One is CET common admission test, and now I am talking about CET common entrance test. It is a exam conducted in Maharashtra at the state level to take the admission in various colleges of under the Maharashtra state who provide MBA or management courses, and the students seeking admission in the top universities also from outside the Maharashtra state can also apply for this examination and do the counseling while taking the admission in this college of the top B school in Maharashtra. Friends, if you are interested in the management courses and if you are preparing for CAT, XAT, NMAT, this type of examination, then you can also look out for this examination, because it is easy one actually. If you are going to like on a easy side, then you can appear at this examination, because there is first of all no GD and PI conducted for taking admission at the final round. Only after conducting the examination, and if you qualify with a good percentile, then you are eligible to take admission. And the eligibility criteria is just like you must have completed your graduation with 50% of minimum marks and 45% of the minimum marks for reserved categories. And now I am talking about the exam pattern and the syllabus. Exam pattern is like 200 marks paper is there, out of which 50 marks is for quantitative aptitude, 50 questions for 50 marks, 25 questions for reasoning, and LR, that is logical reasoning, 75 questions for 75 marks. Along with that, verbal ability and reading comprehension, that is 50 marks and 50 questions, that is 1 mark for each, and there is no negative marking. It is a very important stuff you must know. Along with that, if you want to get rid of this GD-PI tension, you can also appear at this examination, because there is no GD and PI for taking admission. It is just like JEE NEET, that like you have cleared or you have got the rank up to that level, then you can take the admission directly. Same way here it also happens. And this is a state level examination, but you cannot underestimate, because a lot of top B schools participate or accepts the score of this examination. And also if you are CAT examination passed out, I mean if you have the valid score of CAT examination or any other JAT or NMAT or others like that, then you can also appear at its counseling process, that is central admission process. Counseling of this college also happens through this counseling process, that is central counseling process. And you can know more about its website, that is state CET examination, and you can also know more about the other sources as well. And the exam application is already open since 22nd of June, and it will end in this month of 17th of this July. Between this, you can register yourself if you want to appear at this examination, and exam will be taken in September or like that, or it may be extended. August to September it is taken, and in October admission process is started. But this year we don't know what will happen due to this pandemic. Everything is delayed and it may also be delayed. So If you are interested, then you can fill its form on its official website. I have given here the link in the description box, and all the things related to this, if you are interested, you can ask any query. If you have any doubt, in our comment section, we are always ready for that. And if you are new, then also subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. And whoever needs or whoever wanting or aspiring to prepare for MBA examination or CAT or anything like that examination related to management courses, then must share this video to them, that CET is also examination which is conducted for taking admission in MBA, and this type of things to them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. All the best, guys.